My name is Lizzie, and I figure you're here to learn about how to collect dried blood spots. Well, with a few drops of blood onto a special paper, researchers can measure markers of disease, all from the ease of your home. Before starting, make sure you have 30 minutes of uninterrupted time to complete this process. First, please read through your dried blood spot collection instruction booklet that was sent with your kit. It contains important details that are not included in this video. Please pause the video and do this now. Wasn't that a great read? Next, we'll show you each step of the dried blood spot collection process before you collect dried blood spots on your own. If at any point you need to listen to a step again, please pause the video and replay the step. You can also refer back to your instruction booklet for more detailed instructions. Before you start, find a clean, open space to work on and lay out all of your materials on the placemat provided. All that you need is right in that kit, which was sent directly to you. You'll need a pen, an alcohol wipe, 2 gauze pads, and a safety lancet. Lancets are the needles that poke your finger. Don't worry, the needle is very small. You'll also need a blood specimen card and a bandage. Next, to package your dried blood spot card, you'll need a biohazard bag that contains a humidity indicator, used to make sure the specimen stay at a stable humidity, and desiccant packets that ensure the specimen remains fresh. Please keep these items inside the biohazard bag. Lastly, you'll need a return envelope so we can have your blood spots sent directly back to us. Just in case you need more materials, backup kits have been provided. Now you are ready to begin. First, write the date and time on your collection card. Fold the card back so the circles lay flat on the surface. Be careful not to touch the collection cards with your fingers. Next, wash your hands with soap in very warm, not hot water, and dry your hands with a clean towel. Washing your hands is very important to stimulate blood flow to your fingertips. Next, choose a finger on your non-dominant hand that is either the ring or middle finger that you would like to poke. Then, select an area on the side of the fingertip to poke. Avoid calloused areas of the finger. After you've chosen where you'll poke on your finger, pull the cap off of the safety lancet. Now wipe the tip of the finger that you chose to poke with an alcohol wipe. After, place your hand on a flat surface. Place the tip of the safety lancet against your fingertip. Press the tip of the end of the lancet against your fingertip until you hear a click. Wipe the first spot of blood away with a gauze pad. To continue blood flow, squeeze from the bottom of the finger to the top, as if you were milking a cow. If you are having a difficult time getting enough blood flow, try standing up and shaking your hand or milking your finger below your waist. For more tips to improve blood flow, see your instruction booklet. Once a large drop of blood has formed, allow the drop of blood to fall inside the collection circle. Remember, don't touch the collection card with your finger, as it could contaminate the final results. You'll know you have a big enough spot if the blood fills most of the collection circle. If one of your spots is too small, that's okay. Just move on to the next collection circle. Do not put multiple drops of blood in one circle. There are examples of good blood spots in your instruction booklet. Once you've filled all 5 circles with a drop of blood, use your second gauze pad to wipe the blood off of your finger and apply a bandage. Once you're finished, dispose of the safety lancet, alcohol wipes, and gauze pads in the trash. Please wait at least 4 hours to close the flap on your blood spot specimen card. Your blood spots will darken as they dry. Once 4 hours has passed, close the blood spot specimen card and place it in the biohazard bag. Place the biohazard bag in the brown envelope that has the University of Minnesota label on the front. And place the envelope in the mailbox within 24 hours of collection. And remember, all of this information, as well as additional important details, are in your dried blood spot collection instruction booklet that was provided to you in your kit. From the University of Minnesota, we would like to thank you for participating in this study.